Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen this before on the channel. I have put it there on the channel. This is the GB40 Genius Boost Safe Jump Starter. Now you can see the size, it's great. Usually has some jumper cables that go on this side. It works once or twice. They advertise you can do it about 10, 15 times, I think, on this one. And it does work, 1000 amp charger, but the problem is you get a bigger diesel or anything. Car that's really dead, anything. This may do it once, but say you gotta keep cranking on something to get it to start. This may not be your best bet. And this is the smallest one, the GB40. Now, what I have for you is the Big Daddy. The NoCo Boost Pro 4000 amp 12 volt super booster. This was on sale for Cyber Monday. Had to pick it up. And the reason is I've actually used it already. A couple coworkers have it. This thing is amazing. It works every time, multiple times. Get it out of the box. Now you can see this size lithium ion jump starter. She's a bit bigger. She's got a bit more battery and capacitor to her. The jumper cables are built in, so you no longer have to worry about losing the cables or anything. They are installed to it. They're already in it. The thing is big. It comes with power adapters and stuff to power in your car and a USB charger that I already took out. Its normal price sits around $250 to $300. But the really cool thing is you turn it on. It's got that super bright light, different modes in it. Yep, there we go. And you turn it on. Gives you the battery gauge. It's giving you 4000 amps. It'll tell you if it's connected correctly. It'll automatically jump start. It's safe to do it. You can't do it backwards. So we'll throw an old battery up here. This is how much I trust it. We're going to take it off. We're going to put the negative on the positive. We're going to put the positive on the negative. It's going to tell me no. It just put it in safe mode. It'll automatically reset. And sensed it. Now it's telling me voltage of the battery currently. It's currently in jump start mode. It automatically sensed it. It was good to go. And you can hear it click. It'll do this as you're trying to jump start the 4000 amps. It'll also sense if it jump started the car. It'll stop trying to jump it. But you can keep it going. It's always in the safe mode. It does have a mode if the battery's completely stone dead. It won't sense the voltage. So what you have to do is that's when you hold this button. Just as, these are two. You hold the I avoid the self-detection, and it will pop up and start the jump start automatically no matter what with no safety. Is what it can do, but if there's any voltage in it at all, this thing will do it. Now this thing is light. I'm going to turn it off. This is light. This is nothing. This can be in your pocket like a cell phone. You would barely even know it besides the bulkiness of it. This, you get these heavy jump starters and everything, like you're carrying them out. This, you can put right in your toolbox. You can put, pretty much anywhere. And this thing just is nice and lightweight. You can walk out to your vehicle you're working on at night. If you're going to jump start a car in the middle of the night. And like that. Or you need some battery power, or you're sitting there cranking one in a parking lot, or you're testing something, you need some power to it, or you're going up to somebody's car. You need this one. It'll start it every time. And it is rated up to a 10-liter diesel. So we might be able to do a semi. We might not. But I would like to see if we could try. 4000 amps. This thing doesn't fail. I will put it up to the test just to show you guys in future videos. But this passed my expectations. I've used this, and I've had diesels and stuff crank over, no problem. It starts them. as far as like 6.4 Fords and 6.6 Duramaxes and stuff. So I've had no issues with it in these in the past. I will go through a full review with it. But this thing is the bee's knees. Love it. So we'll have more on the channel on that later, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave a link in the description. This thing's amazing. You'll catch Instagram posts with it and stuff. But we will do more with it. So all I can say is, like I said, I've used it. It's fantastic. It already has my vote. I know it works. I'll just do more videos on it.